Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your photos pop with an awesome ink splash stencil effect? I'll show you how. First, click Create. Then choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels for the dimensions, before proceeding to the next step. Next, go to Elements and select a photo. Then, use the Background Removal tool to eliminate the photo's background for a cleaner look. Next, open Apps, then search for and select the Tracer application. Select Tracer, then choose Black and White. Click Trace Image to start the tracing process. Once complete, you can adjust the result or proceed with your design. This tool converts your image into a clean, editable black and white vector for easier customization and use. Click the Design tab, then select Black and White mode to apply the monochrome color scheme to your project instantly. This adjusts all colors to black, white, and shades of gray. Open the image and go to Tools. Click Tools, then select Drawing from the menu. Choose the wide drawing option to start editing or annotating your image. This tool allows you to create broad strokes for better visibility and emphasis. Use it to highlight important areas or add bold marks. Adjust the size and color as needed for your project. When finished, save your changes to apply the edits to your image file effectively and clearly. To change the color, first select the object you want to modify. Then open the color palette from the toolbar. Choose your desired color by clicking on it. The selected object will immediately update to reflect the new color. This simple step allows you to customize visuals easily and enhance your design. To shade the face area, start by selecting the region you want to shade. Use the shading tool to apply a smooth gradient, ensuring an even tone across the face. Adjust the opacity to achieve a natural look. Next, position your shading layer in front of all other layers to maintain visibility. If necessary, refine the edges with a soft brush to blend the shading seamlessly into the surrounding areas. Finally, review your work to confirm the shading enhances the face without overpowering other features. This step helps add depth and dimension, making the face stand out in your design. Remember, subtlety is key for a professional finish. Save your progress before moving on to the next step. Next, go to Elements and search for Paint. Select the paint splash element, drag it onto your canvas and resize it as needed. Then, position the paint splash behind your main objects. To do this, use the Arrange or Layer options and send the paint splash to the back. Adjust its placement until it enhances your design without overpowering other elements. This adds a dynamic, creative touch to your project. Once satisfied with the position, continue editing other elements or save your progress. This is our final result. To remove the image, simply select it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. To merge your files, click the Merge button. Once merged, click the Share button to send the file directly or select Download to save it to your device. This allows you to easily combine and access your content in one place, with just a few clicks. Increase the resolution to improve quality before downloading the file to ensure the best possible results. Now you know how to create a cool ink splash stencil in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.